Welcome to Simsar Radio. I, Nidhi Shah.
And I, Yash Somne, will be your host for this episode.
So Yash, New Year तो आ गया, but it's the same old us. हम, हमारा लैपटॉप और ये इतनी सारी ऑनलाइन मीटिंग्स. देखो, 2 trimesters are already over. This online NDA can surely be a whirlwind.
हाँ यार निधि, with this unstoppable barrage of assignments, cases, and on top of that, हमारे exams भी आ रहे हैं यार. But in सबके बीच में, I'm lucky to have my own happy place where I see my kids smile.
Kids? हैं? हमारे कॉलेज में तो सब adults हैं ना यश?
अरे, मैं अंकुर एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग इनिशिएटिव की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, okay, Ankur ALI. As far as I remember, you were also a part of it, na?
हाँ, and I must tell you that teaching online and that too to these kids has been a very different experience for me.
Yes, I know. And we too are still familiar with technology. Imagine how big of a transition it is for these kids.
Exactly, Nidhi. Being a part of Ankur ELI, I really understand how difficult it can be.
But I'm sure it has been an immense learning experience for you. Also, now we're extremely honored to introduce our guests for today, faculty mentors of Ankur ALI.
So our first faculty mentor is Professor Geeta Shashidhar. She is a communication, public relation and advertising professional with an industry experience of 13 years. She is currently a faculty with KJ Somaiya Institute of Management in the general management area for the last 8 years. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Fine, thank you, Yash. Trust you're well too.
Yes ma'am, we are fine.
And we also have with us Professor Suvecha Sengupta. She is presently working as an adjunct faculty at KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. She is also associated with Ankur ELI since 2019.
Hi, how are you all?
We're doing great, ma'am. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations on Ankur ELI completing 5 years. Geeta ma'am, our first question is for you. How and when did the idea of starting such an initiative come up, and how has been the journey so far?
Well, thank you, Yash. To take you back to the journey of Ankur ELI, it all began in the institute, which had actually, put together an experiential learning initiatives for the first year students of the PGDM programs.
So, Suvecha ma'am, what were you most excited about while joining this initiative?
So it was my love for teaching that basically got me into academics. And even before, I've never had an opportunity to engage in a experiential learning format. So being associated with an initiative that involves teaching as well as in the experiential learning format was basically what drew my interest towards it. And the icing on the cake was actually to be able to view the growth in the symbiotic relationship of the mentor-mentee association. I think that just increased my interest towards this entire initiative.
That's such a pure thought, ma'am.
We recently witnessed a social media launch event of Ankur ELI, after which it has become quite prominent on social media. Can you both please tell us something about it?
As I have just told you that we began Ankur ELI in the year 2015, and then where we really saw the establishment of the Ankur social media handles was in the year 2016. Okay, the initial, all the social media handles were created by the batch of 2016. 2017 also we saw a little bit of activity in the social media pages of Ankur ELI, where our Ankur mentors, were active and they tried to populate information on those social media handles. But if you look at it from the perspective of what social media marketing and promotion and all of that require, Ankur, there was a huge gap, as even our current mentors would, look at because they have seen what the pages were like before they launched this huge event that you're talking about. So this was a well strategized launch. So the social media launch, I must commend the students, the mentors who worked tirelessly to put the social media handles together, thought about it from a strategic point of view by looking at what would be the objectives and how would we fulfill each of our objectives. So this is what you call as a great social media strategy, and thereby we saw a huge launch that took place where there was excitement. We looked at ways of engaging our audiences. We were fortunate to have some of our alumni mentors also of Ankur, and then the rest that you see today is a dedicated social media team populating the social media handles with frequent messages, because there is a planned strategy. It's a planned strategy. They have a social media calendar. So the team, social media team, works tirelessly, and besides juggling their studies, committees, everything, Ankur ELI is in the forefront, and we encourage all our students of KJ Somaiya Institute of Management Studies to, go like it, share it, and help us actually, create more traction for all our social media handles, because it's sheer hard work that you see there today. So Richa, if you'd like to add on.
So yes, Ankur ELI did lack a social media presence, and for an initiative that is now 5 years old, social media launch was much needed, and I think the flawless execution of the same was commendable, especially launching it across multiple social media platforms and doing it in the presence of Ankur alums. I think was a great job. Also, kudos to the students, the current mentors, for continuous updates and being able to maintain parity across all these social media platforms.
Absolutely, ma'am. It's great to see more and more people dedicatedly following the initiative on various social media platforms. So we also have two Ankur ALI mentors here with us today. We have Bhairavi Mane from MBA International Business, and we also have Prashant Kumar from MBA Human Resources. Hi Bhairavi. Hi Prashant.
Hello. Hi guys.
So Bhairavi, you have had a teaching experience previously. Tell us how Ankur ELI is different for you.
So I have had a teaching experience of a year before this, and let me tell you, in that aspect, Ankur ELI feels just like home. But Abhi, it is so much more than just mentoring the kids. I mean, in this online world, Ankur ELI is very involved in the social media presence. Even Ankur ELI even has a blog, and recently, with the help of alumni, Ankur ELI has donated about 9 phones to the students of Vidya Mandir.
Bhairavi, it's really nice to see how much effort you guys are putting into this.
So Prashant, given that you haven't had any teaching experience prior to this, how did it feel to actually be on the other side of the table?
Well, Nidhi, I would definitely say gigantic shoes to fill in. You know what I mean by that? This was my first teaching experience. I didn't had, like you said, like you introduced very rightly, I didn't had any teaching experience before. So जब आप क्लास में रहते हो, आप सोचते हो फैकल्टी 3 घंटे का क्लास ले रहा है, they are teaching you. But you don't realize how much hard work they are putting for those 3 hours. And once you are into Ankur ELI, आपको realize होता है for taking that 1 hour of the class, how much hard work you have to put in.
I totally agree, Prashant, that such experiences can change one's perspective.
Okay, so guys, tell us your favorite moment from these sessions that holds a special place in your heart.
So one of my favorite moments of being a mentor was when my mentee started to tell me about his dreams and his goals. I mean, initially, जब हमारे sessions होते थे, he told me about how he wanted to become a dancer and an artist. And आजकल he shows me a lot of his paintings and artworks that he's made. And as a mentor, I don't think that there's anything that's more special than this.
That's so sweet.
The favorite moment, I would say, the first day of my Ankur ELI classes, when I was taking the class of my mentee Mayur, and I said him, Mayur, are you excited for the class? And he said, भैया आप क्या बोल रहे हो, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आप प्लीज़ हिंदी में बोलोगे क्या? एंड इट रियली टच्ड मी. मतलब मुझे लगा कि यार एक तरफ हम लोग हैं जिनके पास हर तरह के रिसोर्सेस हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, और ये बच्चे हैं जिन्हें मतलब इतना ट्रबल है, इतना मुश्किल होती है इन चीज़ों को समझने के लिए. तो हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं, हम किस तरीके से उनको ये सारी चीज़ें सिखा सकते हैं, समझा सकते हैं. एंड दैट डे वॉज रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी एंड रियली टच्ड मी एंड डिसाइडेड दैट आई हैव टू चेंज. जितना भी मेरे से पॉसिबल हो सके मैं इनको उतना नॉलेज दूंगा मेरे लेवल पे.
This sounds so amazing, guys. Yash, I know you already are a mentor, but अब लग रहा है काश मैं भी अंकुर ELI mentor होती.
Mentor? Really? Nidhi, I think we can take you as a student there. तू वो 5th standard के बच्चों के साथ एकदम perfect लगेगी.
5th standard के बच्चे हैं. I don't mind. At least मुझे वापस school life जीने मिल जाएगी. So now moving on, our next segment is a myth breaker. We would like you to bust some myths about Ankur ELI.
So the first one is, Ankur ELI is just a fun session between the mentors and the mentees, and it doesn't have any formal syllabus or session plan.
ये तो definitely एक myth है. One of the roles of the mentors is to actually come up with different worksheets and session plans for every session. There's a structured plan that is given to the mentors. However, they are free to change the session plans according to the learning levels of their mentees.
And adding to Bhargavi point, it's a completely professional thing यार. आप यहाँ पे आओ लेकिन आप मस्ती भी करो, मजाक भी करो. You know, you have to do everything very professionally. आपको एक लाइन मेंटेन करना होता है जहाँ पे आपको प्रॉपर सेशन प्लान बनाना है, प्रॉपर आपको मेंटरशिप करना है. तो आप मस्ती भी कर सकते हो, but you have to maintain a silver line. Professionalism is the key at the end of the day.
I totally agree with you, Prashant. So the next myth we'd like you to bust is one can join Ankur ELI at any time.
No, it's not. Actually, you need to join the Ankur ELI at the starting of the course, at the starting of the semester exactly. And like you do for any other course, we have to enroll at the starting of the course.
Okay, so the next one up is that Ankur ELI is just a CSR activity.
ये एक्चुअली एक बहुत कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन है. I mean, Ankur ELI definitely CSR activity तो है ही, but along with it, it is also a half credit course that is open for MBA programs. And in fact, MBA HR के लिए it is a compulsory credit course.
Now we have a little guest with us here today with a not so little surprise for you.
Hello Didi. Hello Bhaiya. My name is Dash Mahesh Bhaskar. Thank you for calling me here. Didi and Bhaiya teach me very nicely. We have lots of fun in class. They teach me maths and English. I like to write new sentences in English. I love attending the class. We also watch English story on YouTube and play games. Thank you so much, Didi, MBA Didi Bhaiya.
This was so wholesome. I'm just so emotional right now. I mean, thank you for the surprise. ये काफी प्यारा था.
Wow यार, I'm really overwhelmed listening to this. मतलब सच में ये लोग सीख रहे हैं और I'm really happy कि हम जो भी efforts दे रहे हैं इन लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है, ये लोग सीख रहे हैं. Let's take it forward or let's keep this collaboration going.
We're so glad that you liked the surprise.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am and Suvecha ma'am for being here with us today.
It was a pleasure being here, and thank you so much for hosting this entire thing on Ankur.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you, students. It was our pleasure to be part of this session with you all.
And of course, how can we forget Daksh, our cute little guest? Thank you so much, Daksh, for such a sweet message. On this note, this is Nidhi and Yash, your hosts, signing off. Stay tuned to Simsar Radio.